by government sources. Two-day GST Council meetings are expected in September to pave the way for the reforms. The announcement made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the ramparts of the Red Fort this morning. The Diwali Bonanza, remember that was announced by PM Modi. One of the big key takeaways said a Diwali gift for the middle class. So what reforms then are we looking at? We have the inside scoop and the details here on India Today. Removal of the 12% slab on the GST. Rate rationalization for health and life insurance. The policies that really are important, especially for the middle class, and the overall rate rationalization that will be done by rejigging the essential items and their rate. So this is very important. I bring in immediately my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal for the latest, Aishwarya, because we've been flooded with messages about what kind of GST reforms are we looking at. What are you hearing from the government sources? Go ahead.
Well, let me tell you, Pooja, this will be significant because the idea of the government is to make sure that a little bit of inflation, the little bit of things getting expensive, that is something that the government understands, and that's the pulse of the nation at the moment. The best way to do this is to make sure that you slash the 12% GST. You make sure that most of the items in the 12%, they are reduced to 5%. Overall, this means that things are all set to become very, very cheap, especially the essential items. Footwear, bags, clothes, toothpaste. So those are the things which everyone uses every day. Those are the items that the government at the moment is looking at. It's not just that. Health insurance, that's also something that the government was getting continuous feedback about. That's something which touches the common man. That's the reason why we will see the meeting, which from what we understand at the moment will take place in September. And then very close to Diwali, we will see a drastic change in the prices. That's what the government at the moment is very keenly looking at, Pooja.
All right, Aishwarya, just a quick word also. How are you looking at the kind of timeline? We are looking at Diwali clearly for the big implementation of it. But do you think this will need some work to be really worked out? What can happen? Because this is what Prime Minister Modi has announced, and therefore it will be much hyped when we finally have the implementation of it.
Well, Pooja, let me tell you, it is not something that the Prime Minister has said off the hand from the ramparts of the Red Fort. This was something which was already in the works. Let me tell you, the Finance Ministry very closely was looking at what all can be done. Certain finance ministers of different states were also giving the feedback from different states as to what the people definitely want. So this was something which was in the works. What we will now see is the gears shifting. From second gear, we will now be moving to the fifth gear, and we will see speedily things moving. And we will see the reduction also happening before Diwali. What we are understanding, in September, most likely, we will have the GST Council meeting. In that meeting, there will be two meetings that will take place. In these two meetings, we will get the stamp of the approval. And then moving forward, we will see a reduction in the GST rates.
All right, Aishwarya Paliwal will be tracking all the meetings, the huddles that are going to take place, because this was one highlight that Prime Minister Modi also mentioned. So